How to create a poll in WhatsApp. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. First open WhatsApp on your device. Now you can tap on any private conversation or groups to create your poll. Then tap on this attachment icon. From here tap on poll. Now you need to type in your question. Then type in your options. After you have entered all the options, you can also allow multiple answers, or if you just want one answer, then you can toggle this button off as well. Then tap on this arrow button. As you can see, a new poll has been created. Now you can tap on view votes to check out the number of votes that has been received on your poll. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.